Every Oreo cookie begins with carefully selected premium ingredients. Inside this modern factory, ingredients are delivered, inspected, and once the ingredients pass quality inspection, they are carefully measured and blended inside giant industrial mixers. Advanced automated systems
The freshly prepared chocolate dough is rolled into perfectly even sheets before precision cutting machines shape each cookie with remarkable accuracy.
The shaped cookie dough now enters a massive industrial tunnel oven. Carefully controlled temperatures bake every cookie to perfection. After baking, the cookies travel through a carefully controlled cooling system. This stage allows each cookie to reach While the cookies cool, the factory prepares Oreo's signature cream filling. Premium ingredients are blended inside advanced industrial mixers. The cooled chocolate cookies now meet Oreo's signature cream filling. Precision systems deposit the exact amount of cream before a second cookie is carefully. Before packaging, every Oreo cookie passes through a sophisticated quality inspection system. High-speed cameras, precision sensors, and
After passing every quality check, the finished Oreo cookies are carefully stacked, wrapped, and sealed by high-speed automated packaging machines.
The sealed Oreo packs are automatically grouped into retail cartons using advanced robotic packaging systems. Every box is filled.
Once the cartons are sealed, advanced robotic systems stack them onto pallets with incredible precision. Automated warehouse technology then organizes and stores thousands.
With production complete, the finished Oreo cookies are loaded onto delivery trucks using advanced automated logistics systems. Every shipment is carefully organized to Oreo cookies arrive at supermarkets, where they are carefully stocked on store shelves. Thanks to a highly efficient supply chain, millions of customers can enjoy. From this hub, millions of Oreo cookies begin their journey. An efficient network of trucks, trains, ships, and planes From carefully selected ingredients to advanced automation, PrimeFoundry behind the scenes. Subscribe and discover how products are truly made.